Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. This time I'm going to decode a Squire 4-wheel, bolt lock. The technique is pure brute force. First we need to remove the little screw so we can change the combination. Lift the handle up and we are ready to change the code. I'm covering this up so it's random. One quirk with this lock is that I have found that you need to slide the bolt open and closed a couple of times before scrambling after a code change. I think it's to line the gates up. Who knows? Okay, then it's scrambled. And it's still locked. Pull on the bolt as hard as possible. Like full on roid rage that bolt. The wheels will only rotate towards you. Then the wheel will stick in a gate. First stage is find a gate. Any gate, true or false on the wheels. Then once all the wheels are in a gate, you test each wheel. When in a true gate the bolt clicks audibly and also jitters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe everyone and I will see you all for the next video.